Samsung Galaxy S21 Fan Edition official look has been leaked. Also in the leaks, the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3 under-display camera sensor to offer an improved light transmission. Hey, what's up guys, we are back again with some latest news. So today we have a new leak for the Galaxy S21 Fan Edition, and particularly this leak has been arrived from a reliable leakster Even Plus, which shares the render images of the Galaxy S21 Fan Edition on Twitter. These are the official render images that he has leaked, which reveals the phone design, color option and some features. The smartphone appears to have a design that is quite similar to the Galaxy S21 Plus, and it's going to be coming with a plasticky back as by its look. Basically, if we look at the S21 Plus device, it was coming with a two-tone color option on the back side, but rather than that, in the S21 Fan Edition we are seeing similar kind of color option on all the camera sensor and also on the body as well. This means that the plasticky body is going to be present on the back side, and also the metal frame will be made up of plastic. On the back, we will also see there is going to be a triple camera setup as well. And moving on towards the front side, the S21 Fan Edition will have a bezel-less screen, and also it's going to be coming with a single punch hole camera cutout present in the center of the device. Obviously, in terms of design, it's looking similar to the Galaxy S21 Plus device, but there are some things that are different in terms of its internals and the specification which it arriving. Anyhow, based on leaks and rumors, we have seen the device is going to be coming with a 6.5 inch of Super AMOLED Infinity O display with full HD plus resolution at 120 Hz of refresh rate. It's going to be coming with an Android 11 out of the box and equipped with a Snapdragon 888 processor inside. Two variants are expected to be coming with the S21 Fan Edition. One is going to be 6 gigs of RAM and 128 gigs of internal storage, whereas the other is going to be 8 gigs of RAM and 256 gigs of internal storage. Unfortunately, according to the leaks, we may not see the microSD card support inside the device, so storage expansion might not be possible in the S21 Fan Edition. Anyhow, the front-facing camera is going to be of 32 megapixel, and at the rear, it could be possibility that we might see a 12 megapixel of a main sensor with OIS support, 12 megapixel ultra wide camera, 8 megapixel or 12 megapixel telephoto camera sensor might be coming inside the S21 Fan Edition. On top of that, battery capacity is rumored to be coming with a 4500 milliamp, and it will support a 25 watt of fast charging, and fast wireless charging and reverse wireless charging is also expected to be coming. Other features of upcoming Fan Edition smartphone could include stereo speaker, IP68 certification, and under-display fingerprint scanner is also expected to be coming with that particular device. So I'm pretty much excited for the S21 Fan Edition because it is going to be a value for money device. Anyhow, let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. What are your opinion about that? Moving forward, the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3 under-display camera sensor has been in a rumor mill right now, and according to the Ice Universe latest leak, that it is going to be much clearer. In fact, the image quality for that particular under-display camera sensor in the Z Fold 3 will be bringing over a 40% better light transmission than any other camera sensor which is available so far as for the under-display camera. For reference, the only commercial available phone which is coming with the under-display camera is the ZTE Axon 20. So that's particularly the device which we can compare if Samsung is introducing the under-display camera sensor. The expected camera sensor which that foldable device might be coming as an under-display camera sensor is going to be a Sony IMX471 front-facing camera hidden beneath the 7.55 inch of LTPO AMOLED main screen. The smaller outward display will apparently pack a 12 megapixel of a secondary selfie shooter, while the back will also coming with a recycled last year 12 megapixel sensors. So anyhow, the under-display camera technology is still new. We have to wait and see. Fingers are crossed right now what to expect in terms of image quality. Anyhow, the S21 Fan Edition is one of the best device which I think will be a value for money device. It's going to be coming with a great specification, great hardware, great software, and even the price is going to be lower. Anyhow, that is it in this particular video. Subscribe to the channel if you are new here. Thanks for watching. Peace.